Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Google Lens to translate screenshots of images, text and any other thing you do not understand written in another language. So what you do is this: the first thing is open up your Google app, then tap on the lens icon at the top here, tap on search with camera, and then tap on the video aspect. So you go to the screen, the one you want to translate. Let's say I want to translate this particular one, as you can see. Then you tap on translate, tap on the language you want it translated into. I want to translate it into English. Right now, that this is written in Hausa and I translated it to English for me, as you can see. Now I'll pick another screenshot. This is English. I want it translated to, let's say, Arabic, and you see it translated into Arabic for me. Now I'm going to pick another screenshot. That it is Spanish. Now I want it translated into English. Tap on English. As you can see, it's translated into English. Let's pick another one, and let's have this translated into, let's pick this. It's in English. Let's say I want this greeting, this card, to be translated into French for me, and that's it. As simple as that. I can have it translated into any language I want. Let's say I want it Chinese simplified, and that's it. So you can have fun with it. This is the simple way to use Google Lens to translate screenshots of any image, whatever, anything. In fact, I have an image here I want to translate it. Let's say I pick this. As you can see, let's say I pick this. As you can see, it was Japanese, it was translated into English. Now let us into Chinese. Let's say I want to translate it into English, and that's it. The image, as you can see, has been translated. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and follow this channel. Actually, subscribe to this channel for more. Please try this out and let us know in the comment section how it went.